Hello dear students, welcome to the accountancy class. What we are studying today, we are studying chapter number 1 from your part 2, which is for accounting for share capital. So what is our today's class topic? Our today's class topic is journal entries for the issue of shares at premium, and today is day 8 of our class. Now see here, in yesterday's class, what you have learned? You have learned the journal entries for issue of shares at par. Okay. Today we are moving towards the next step where you are going to learn what are the journal entries for the issue of shares at premium. See, we are just into the basic classes. As we will move ahead, the sums will become very tough due to its adjustments. So if you want to get good marks into accountancy, it is very crucial that you should focus on each and every class thoroughly. For this purpose, you should watch your daily videos that day itself. You cannot watch 2 to 3 videos in one go. What will happen? You will get confused. Okay? So it's important that you watch the video on the day when it is uploaded. And at the end of each video, you will be given a homework also. So it ultimately it's your future. So if possible, solve that homework and send me on my mobile number so that I can tell you whether you have written it right or wrong. Okay? So let us start today's class. First, we will understand what is the meaning of issue of shares at premium. So issue of shares at premium means the issue of shares at a price higher than the face value of the shares. Now you already know what is the face value of shares. Face value means the value at which the shares have been registered. Okay. For example, they have given you examples here. A share of face value rupees 10 issued at rupees 12. Now for the increase in the value of the share, there will be many reasons. International market, national market, the functioning of that particular company, many reasons are there. The competitor is not doing well, it may be anything. So what we need to understand from the point of view of accounting is the value of your share was just 10 rupees when you registered it. But when you issued it into the market, you issued it at a higher value. Here currently it is at rupees 12. So by how much it is higher? It is higher by rupees 2. Because 10 is the basic face value of that share. The increased value of the share itself is called as share premium. So here how much is the premium? The premium is for rupees 2. Okay. The difference between the issue price and the face value of the share is called share premium. Okay, see, each underlined word is your 2 marks definition. So, what is share premium? If the question comes, the difference between the issue price and the face value is called share premium. What is the issue price in this particular example? It is 12 rupees. What is the face value? It is rupees 10. So what is the difference between these two? It is 2 rupees. So that 2 rupees itself is your share premium. Okay. Now the share premium is a capital profit. You have already understood the capital expenditure, revenue expenditure, capital revenues and capital profits and revenue profits. Okay. So this share premium is your capital profit and therefore it is credited to a separate account only. So we do not show this 2 rupees into the capital account because the capital will remain how much it is registered for. It cannot be increased, remember? So then whatever increase decrease is happening, it has to be shown into separate accounts. So because here in this particular question, the issue price is higher, it means there is a share premium. It will be shown into a separate account which is called as securities premium account. Okay, so this account will come into existence only when the shares are issued at premium. Okay, otherwise this account won't come into existence. It should be shown now where this share premium account securities premium account will be shown? It will be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet. Okay. So where it will go? It will go into the balance sheet on the liability side with a separate heading itself. The heading will be securities premium account. So here whatever is written, everything is important for 2 marks and 1 marks. Okay. Now let us understand the accounting treatment. Okay, on which the 12 marks and 6 marks questions are based. The premium may be collected by the company either on application or on allotment or on call. Okay. So the company, see, you all know that the company does not collect the face value in one go. It collects it into installments. Normally, what is the procedure? The procedure is first they will get the application money, then they will demand the allotment money, and later on they will demand the call money. This will be for the face value. Then when the premium amount has to be collected, it totally depends upon the company whether they want to collect the premium amount on application, on allotment or on call. Whatever it will be told to you into the question, and that's why reading the question becomes important. Okay. But the usual practice is to collect the premium on allotment. This bracket is very important. Suppose sometimes it happens that in question they have not given you the information that when the allotment money, when the premium amount is collected. ಬಾಸತಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಾರ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನೀವಾಗಿನ ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು that it is collected on allotment call. Okay. Therefore, the premium should be recorded at the stage at which the premium is received. This is very important because depending upon that your journal entries will change. So ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ಅದಾವ? 3. The premium amount will be collected either on application or on allotment or on the call. So let us see what are the journal entries in all the 3 cases. Okay. If the premium is payable along with application, okay, you have already learned the basic journal entries. Now we are moving for advanced journal entries. Then the premium should be recorded while transferring. Remember my dear children, for application how many journal entries are there? 2. Application money received, application money transferred. So when this premium amount will be shown? While transferring, okay, transferring the application money to share capital, the journal entry will be. So what will be the journal entry? Share application account debit to share capital account to securities premium account. Okay. So all of you please understand here how the journal entries recording will be done. So while collecting, they will collect. ಇಲ್ಲಿ simple ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಅದೇ example carry forward ಮಾಡೋಣ. Suppose the 10 rupees share is issued for rupees 12. In this 12, okay, how much is the face value? The face value is rupees 10 and the premium is rupees 2. So we will assume that only one share has been applied. Okay. So share application account alli ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರ್ತಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? 12 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬಂದಾವ. The amount of face value will go to capital account only. So that will be rupees 10. And the premium amount will be shown into securities premium account. Okay, remember the dual aspect concept. Debit should and must be equal to credit. So that is happening. 12 plus 12. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಮಾತು ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀರಿ? That when the premium will be shown into the transferring entry. Okay, the premium should be recorded while transferring the application money to share capital account. Okay, so what is the transferring entry? Share application account debit to share capital account. Till yesterday you have done only this much, but today new account is coming into existence which is named as to securities premium account. Why we have prepared prepared this account to show the premium amount only. So application ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂತು 12 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಅದರಾಗಿ ಏನು ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಐತಿ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಏನು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಐತಿ ಅದು ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. When this journal entry is done, if the allotment or if the premium is payable along with the application. Okay. Now, what if the premium is payable on allotment? Suppose allotment dalli ಆ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ journal entry ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? If the premium is payable on allotment, then the premium should be recorded while recording the allotment money due. So when it will be recorded? When the allotment money is due. Okay, when you are making the journal entry for the allotment money due. Why is it so? Because when the shareholder is paying the amount, he will not pay the amount separately. That okay, this is your allotment money and this is your premium money. He will pay all together only. So when the entries are being made for the call received, allotment received or application money received, you won't bifurcate it there. You will bifurcate it here. Okay. So again, let us take the same assumption. 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿದು ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಐತ ತಗೋನು. ಸೊ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಿ? ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಓನ್ಲಿ. So what is the face value? 10 rupees. And what is the premium? It is rupees 2. ಮಹತ್ವದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನೈತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೈತಿ, ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅದ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡೋದೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಮಿಗೆ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಡ್ಯೂ ಅದ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಿ ಅವಾಗನ ನೀವು ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅದ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ? Share allotment account debit, to share capital account, to securities premium account. Okay, this is how the journal entry will be in case if the premium is called on allotment. Let us go for the last journal entry. If the premium is payable on call, ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇರಬಹುದು, ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇರಬಹುದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕುಡಿಸಿ ಬಂದನು ಇರಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಕಾಲ್ ಐತಿ ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಇಸ್ ಪೇಯಬಲ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಾಲ್, ದೆನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ while recording the money due. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಆ ಮನಿ ಡ್ಯೂ ಐತಿ. when you are making the journal entry for the money or the call due, okay, on that particular call the entry will be, what will be the journal entry? Share call account. Okay, if it is first call, you should write down share first call. If it is second call, write down share second call. If it is final call, write down share final call. If it is first and final call, write down share first and final call. ಎಂತ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಶೇರ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್, ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಟು ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಐತಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರ್ಸಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದ ಟೈಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮನಿದಲ್ಲಿನ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಸು ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಾಕತ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಏಕ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೊಳಕತ್ತೀರಿ? 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಏಕ ತಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಸು ಸಲುವಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 10 and here it will be 2. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? ಒಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬಿಡಿಸೋದು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ when we will solve a sum, ultimately the doubts will be clear. So yes, this is our example number 4. Okay. So as I told you, we will go on continuing the example. Sadhya na innu textbook question start madilla. Okay. So you will not be able to see this question into your textbook. These are out of textbook questions. Once I finish the basic teaching, then only I will start the questions from your textbook. Okay. So here is nodri question. Krishna Company Limited issued 10,000 shares of rupees 100 each at premium of rupees 10 per ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? ದ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ rupees 100. Okay, 100 is the face value. But at what price they are issuing it? They are issuing at the price of rupees 110. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತಪ್ಪ 110? So 100 is our face value and 10 is the premium. This bifurcation is very very important. See, ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು bifurcation ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಬೇಕು? Because you are going to record your journal entries accordingly. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕಂಪನಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ದವರು 10,000 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಐತಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರು. ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಮೇಲೆ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಳಕತ್ತಾರ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 110 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಗೈತಿ. ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಡೆಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿನೇ ಐತಿ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗೈತಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗೈತಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಟ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಟ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಬೆಲೆಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೆಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋದು. So the face value is just 100 rupees, but you are taking 10 rupees more. Okay, because the company is doing well. It is a profitable business or profitable company. That's why. The amount payable was as follows. Now see, I have told you many times that ಏನ್ ನಮ್ ಮನಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಒಮ್ಮಗ್ಲೇ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ how the money is being called? See, so the money is being called into 3 installments. On application rupees 20 per share, on allotment rupees 40 per share, on first and final call rupees 50 per share. All the shares were subscribed and the money was duly received. Pass the journal entries. So see here my dear children, ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ that when this premium amount is collected. It is not told that when you are going to collect that premium amount. So what you have to assume, it is collected during allotment. So 20 rupees is on application, 30 plus 10. Why I have written 30 plus 10? 30 is the face value and 10 is the premium amount. And the final amount is of 50. So ee ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಇದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 100 is the face value plus 10 which is equal to 110. Okay, so here we are assuming that the allotment call includes premium amount. ಇದೇನು ನಿಮ್ದು allotment call ಐತಿ, ಇದ್ರಾಗನ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ಬೇಡಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ. So the journal entry will be done at this stage for premium. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸಂಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕಂಪನಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಂಪನಿ ಐತಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರು, 10,000 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಬೆಲೆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಐತಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 110 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಮೇಲೆ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಈ 110 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಅವ್ರು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋರಾದರು, 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮೇಲೆ, 40 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಳಿದಿತ್ತು ಏನ್ ಕೊನೆ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅದಾವು ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟೀಕರಣ ಇಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟೀಕರಣ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಏನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅದು ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಒಳಗನ ಬೇಡಾಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ 40 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಐತಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಒಡೆದೀವಿ. 30 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಐತಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಏನೈತಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಮುಂದೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ, ದಟ್ ಏನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರು, 10,000 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರು. ಎಲ್ಲ 10,000 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಯಾವು, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವು. ಮತ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇನು ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಬೇಡ್ಯಾರು ಎಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಬಂದೈತಿ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, the money was duly received. ಡ್ಯೂಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಡ್ಯೂ ಇತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂಲಿ ರಿಸೀವ್. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು, ಪಾಸ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. There will be 2 journal entries for application there will be 2 journal entries for allotment and there will be 2 journal entries for first and final call. So ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು journal entries ಬರ್ತಾವು? Only 6. Remember the song. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಡವನ್ನು ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀರಿ? ಈ ಪಾಠ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಏನೈತಿ ಹಾಡ? ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮನಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮನಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್, allotment money due, allotment money received, first and final call due, first and final call received. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಂದೂ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. This chapter accounting for share capital has weightage of more than 20 marks. Okay, so ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠನು ಚಲೋ ತಂಗ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ 20 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಬಿದ್ದ ಬೀಳ್ತಾವ. 12 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬೀಳ್ತೈತಿ, 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬೀಳ್ತೈತಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 or 2 marks theory question also they might ask. So roughly this chapter has a weightage of 20 marks. So it is important that ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಮಹತ್ವದ ಮಾತು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಲ್ತೀರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್. In comparison to that first part, this chapter is damn easy. So again it becomes compulsory for you that this should be your favorite chapter also. ಯಾದ್ರಾಗಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ನಾನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತ 4 ಲೆಕ್ಕ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಹಳ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬಿಡಿಸೋರದಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಲೆಟ್ us write down the answer or solution for this question. Okay, so for that what you have to do? You have to draw one journal book. Why? They have told you to pass the journal entries. So for journal entries what is required? A journal book is required. Okay, so what I have done, the same question is written here, so for reference it will become easy. Okay, so now what we will do? We will draw one journal book. Okay, heading is very important. So write down solution. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀರಿ? ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಬರೆಯಕತ್ತೀರಿ. So write down journal entries. Underline in whose books you are writing. So write down in the books of. In the books of. Whose books are these? These are the books of Krishna Company Limited. So write down Krishna Company Limited. Okay, give the basic details: serial number, date, then particulars, then the ledger folio, amount, in that the debit amount and credit amount. Ready? So ಎಷ್ಟು journal entries ಬರ್ತಾವು? Only 6. Okay, because there are only 3 installments. So one installment will have 2 journal entries. So I will write down the journal entries in the set of 2 2. So what will be the first journal entry? The first journal entry will be for the application money received. Remember the song? Application money received, application money transferred, allotment money due, allotment money received, first and final call due, first and final call received. Okay, very easy. So first entry is bank account debit to. Okay, for what you are receiving this money? For share application. Which kind of shares these are? These are our, is it written what kind of shares they are? Okay, it has not been mentioned. So we will write down simply the share application account. To share application account. Okay, into bracket write down how many shares are there. 10,000 shares are there. So 10,000 shares into rupees. How much money you are taking on application? See, on application, rupees 20 per share. So rupees 20 per share. Okay. So simplify it. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write down the 5 zeros. Okay. And then 1, 2s are 2. So how much money is received by the bank? 2 lakh rupee is received. For what? For the share application. Okay. So write down the narration being application money. Being application money received. Okay. The application money is received. As soon as the application money is received, immediately what you will do? You will transfer. Okay. So the second journal entry is of transferring entry. So transferring entries ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ನಿಯಮ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ ಅದರ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. So what you are transferring? Share application you are transferring. So here it is having a credit, while transferring it will become a debit. So share application account debit to share capital account. Share capital account. How much you are transferring? Complete amount is transferred. So that is rupees 2 lakh. 2 lakh. Write down the narration. Being application money. Being application money transferred to share capital account. To share capital account. Okay. After each journal entry, drawing a line is compulsory. Ilkandre na half marks cut ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ for each journal entry. Total ಆಗಿ half cut ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು journal entry half of mark ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Okay. So I am telling you along with the answer the way I will give you the marks also. Okay. So drawing is compulsory. Neatness is compulsory. So see what are the first two journal entries which are coming into today's sum. First one is the application money received. So what is the journal entry? Bank account debit to share application account. Later on this application money is transferred to share capital. So share application account debit to share capital account. So with this the first set of journal entry is over. Now we will do the journal entries for allotment money. Okay. So what our song tells us now, the allotment money is due. Okay. What is due? The allotment money is due. So let us write down the third journal entry which is for the allotment money due. Please remember my dear children, this is a question of issue of shares at premium. So when no information is given, you have to assume that the premium amount is collected in the allotment call itself. Okay. So here first you are demanding the money and later it will come. Okay. ಮೊದಲು ನೀವು ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಬೇಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So let us write down the journal entry. What will be the journal entry? Share allotment account debit. Okay. See, what I am doing is I am going to show you the calculation also, and this is compulsory for everyone to write also. Okay. How many shares have been issued and subscribed? 10,000 shares have been issued and subscribed. Into what is the allotment money that you are demanding? Rupees 40 per share. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ bifurcation ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. 40 ಒಳಗಿನ 30 ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಐತಿ, 10 ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಐತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ವಿಭಾಜನೆ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. It will be taken completely as 40 per share. Okay. So how much money is demanded? See, write down the zeros first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 4s are 4. So how much money is due? 4 lakh rupee is due. Now show it to share capital account. Again put here bracket. How much shares are there? 10,000 shares are there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ half marks ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So 10,000 shares into rupees 30 per share. What is this 30? That is the face value of the share. 2. Securities premium account. Securities premium account. Again put one bracket. 10,000 shares into rupees 10 per share. Into rupees 10 per share. What is this rupees 10? It is the premium amount. What is 30? It is the remaining balance, which is the face value. Total how much you have demanded? 40 rupees per share on 10,000 shares. So ultimately how much should be transferred to the capital account? The capital account will be credited with 3 lakh only. Then where that another 1 lakh will go? Because it is a capital profit, it should be shown separately into your securities premium account, because this is a capital gain. The companies need to pay tax on this separately. That's why this is all mandatory. Okay. So to securities premium account, amount is rupees 1 lakh. Write down the narration for this. Being allotment money due. Okay. Simple narration. Allotment money is what? Due. If you want, you can give the detailed explanation. On 10,000 shares at the rate of rupees 40 each, including the premium of rupees 10 per share. Okay. Now let us write down the fourth entry. As soon as you do the journal entry for allotment due, immediately what will be the next journal entry that follows? Allotment money received. And in our question they have told that all the money has been duly received. Esteshtu due aiti ellanu bandaiti. There are no calls in arrears in today's question. Okay. So who will receive the amount? Bank will receive. So bank account debit. 2. For what this amount has come? It has come for the allotment call. So write down 2 share allotment account. My dear children, please remember, we will not show here any bifurcation. This complete 4 lakh entry will be done. Okay. So write down 4 lakh, 4 lakh. You can ask me, why madam here no difference will be shown? Because when the shareholder is paying the amount, yavaga obba shareholder ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೋ ಅವನು ಏನು ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ತಗೋರಿಯಪ್ಪ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದು, ಇದು ತಗೋರಿಯಪ್ಪ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅದು, ಅವ್ನು ತುಂಬಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿನ ತುಂಬ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನು ಅದು ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿನ ತಗೋತೈತಿ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಏನು ಬೈಫರ್ಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಕೆಲಸ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ? ಕಂಪನಿದು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ದಟ್ ಯಾವ ದುಡ್ಡು ಎದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಬಂದೈತಿ ಆ ಅಕೌಂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸೋದು. It's not the job of the bank, it is the job of the company. And that's why here only they have shown it separately, that how much amount will go to the capital account and how much amount will go to the securities premium account. Okay. Write down the narration. Being allotment money duly received. ಡ್ಯೂಲಿ ಶಬ್ದದ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಐತಿ ಶಬ್ದ. ಡ್ಯೂಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ದುಡ್ಡು ತುಂಬಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ our second set of journal entry is also over, which is for allotment money due and allotment money received. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ನ ಏನೈತಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಇದ ವಿಶೇಷ ಐತಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ us move towards the next set of journal entries. Yes, okay. So, what is the next set of journal entry now? We are moving towards journal entry number 5. So, now the first and final call is due. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವರು ಶಬ್ದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಒಂದ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ and final call account debit. Again, show into bracket the complete calculation. 10,000 shares into rupees 50 each. Now please remember, this 50 is your complete call account, call money only. There is no premium. Premium has been already shown. Okay, so don't show it again and again. 2. Share capital account. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಡಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ? 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಬೇಡಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಮನಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡಿಮಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್? 5 lakh rupees. Write down the narration. Being first and final call, first and final call due on 10,000 shares at rupees 50 each or per share. Okay, now the last journal entry for all the amount being received, ella duly received aiti ant helagatar nodri. So there are no call scenarios in this particular question. So write down who will receive that amount on behalf of the company. The bank will receive. So bank account debit. 2. For what the amount has come? The amount has come for share first and final call. So 2 share first and final call account. How much is the money received? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಡಿದ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬಂದೆ. So amount is rupees 5 lakh 5 lakh. Write down the narration. Being first and final call, first and final call duly received. It is important to write this word duly received. Okay, what that word will tell us, that how much was due, that much is received. So ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮೊದಲು ಒಂದು ಗೆರೆ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮುಗಿತದ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗೆರೆ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ which shows the completion of the sum. This kind of questions will come only for 6 marks. Nodri, if you want to score 100 out of 100, time management is also equally important. To solve 6 marks question, how much time is allotted? 10 minutes only. Then only you will be able to cover your question paper. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood today's class. So it is requested that at the end of each class I will be giving you one sum as a homework. You might be very intelligent, very talented. No need to show the homework. You might be thinking that. But see, if you have knowledge, if you have talent, until and unless you don't showcase it, people won't value it. Okay? So I would request you or advise you that do the homework and send the photo to me. Then ultimately it's your will and wish. Okay, to do or not to do. So what I am going to give you now is homework for today's class. Okay, so all of you can take down homework. What is today's homework? Same to same question is there. Okay, only the details are little bit different. So I'll read out the question for you so that it will be easier for you to write down. Okay, just ಓದಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಮಿಲ್ಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ issued 5,000 shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 per share. 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿದ ಶೇರ್ 12 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರು, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಾರು. ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರು? 5,000 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರು. ಈ 12 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋರು ಅದಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, rupees 2 on application, rupees 5 on allotment. Now see here, including premium, ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟೀಕರಣ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು. Okay, if it was not told, we would assume it here only. And the first and final call of rupees 5. Okay, the shares were all subscribed. So market ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. And the money is duly received. Pass the journal entries. Very simple, very basic sum. I hope all of you will send me the homework before 6 o'clock in the evening. After 6 o'clock, if any homework comes, I won't check it. Okay? So yes, this is your homework. We shall continue in tomorrow's class. Okay? Thank you.